Yes, I heard somebody say it. That counts. You get extra credit. Yeah, over 90% of the heat trapped by global warming is going into the oceans. So if you're not really looking in the oceans, you're not really seeing the signal. So even though we think of global warming as global temperature increase, really it's here. It's global heating. It's that extra heat that's trapped in the ocean that's really important, that's really changing our climate. So almost all of the action in terms of global warming is really in the oceans. Now, why is that? Now, you can do a simple experiment. If you take a simple balloon and you fill it with air and you hold a lighter to it, what happens? It pops, yes. Someone on the internet said it pops. If you take a balloon filled with water and you do the same trick, what happens? It doesn't pop. That's right. Somebody said it. In fact, the water is so good at sucking up the heat that the skin on the balloon, the rubber, doesn't have time to melt. So this is an experiment you can try at home, or it's an experiment you can try in about a room full with 100 people. Since I'm in a room filled with 100 people, I figured I'll try it. So some of you in the front row, maybe in harm's way, trust me, I'm a scientist. All right, so this is a balloon that's about to be filled with air. And I could keep going and fill it with air some more. You guys want me to keep going? And if I tie it off, which I'm going to make a big production of, no, I'm not. I'm just going to hold the flame to it. If I tie it off and hold the flame to it, you guys can guess that it's going to pop. So let's see how long it takes to pop the balloon filled with air with a lighter. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Are you sure you're ready? All right, here we go. You should close your eyes and your ears, and anyone with a pacemaker or heart condition, now would be the time to leave the room. Okay, here we go. Boom! Yes, it pops. So there's only one thing left to do, and that's try it with a water balloon. So we're going to do that. The water balloon won't pop either, just like in the video. And I know this because I'm a scientist and I've done this many times. All right? You people in the front row are in almost no danger of getting wet. This is strictly the policy of the auditorium that I use this bucket because there's all kinds of sensitive electronic equipment. You guys are fine. It'll be great. Because it's Valentine's Day, I decided it should be a pink ocean today. So we're going to try this. Okay. We're going to try this and just see what happens. And what I want you guys to do is count how long it takes for me to pop the balloon, okay? Filled with water. You're going to be fine. This almost always works. Here we go. You ready? Ready. Getting kind of nervous, guys. You guys are good at counting. Whew. Getting hot in here. 20's good, right? Yay, we can stop at 20. Look. And actually, if you want to feel it, it's not even hot, right? Yeah, it's because the balloon is so good at taking up heat and the water sucks up all the heat, and that's why it works. Yay! It's science! All right. So, that was the scariest part for me. I know it was for you too. That's why I got to drink some water. So, what did we learn? Nothing. I knew it. Great. Really, the point here is that water is kind of an amazing substance, and 2/3 of our planet is covered by it to a depth of about 4 kilometers, a couple of miles. So this is a huge volume of water, And essentially what we're doing with climate change is holding a great big lighter to it and waiting for sea level rise to pop our balloon.